So this combination of codes, the engine code and I think that's the ABS, came on sporadically. And I thought that was a speed sensor from Googling it, but it wasn't. So initially I tried using my standard scanner, which I have plugged in all the time, but it couldn't read the code. It gave me the P0301. So I borrowed my buddy's other scanner, and you can't see it here, it doesn't have it, but sure enough, it came up engine misfire, not ABS. So my easiest fix was to get new spark plugs. Well, I could see why the check engine light engine misfire code was happening on a few of these cylinders. Actually, there's one that just came out. You can see I got like 250, maybe 200,000 miles on this. So compare that with a fresh one going in. Woo! Let's go side by side comparison.